Hi, today I'm going to do my new phone ka unboxing. Long story short, I broke my current phone which is the iPhone XR a long time ago. Cover उतार के बताती हूँ. This is where I had broken it. See, cracks and all. But I believed कि जब तक सिर्फ looks damage हुए हैं और phone perfectly काम कर रहा है तो phone क्यों change करे? But then came last week where the phone did not record my audio whenever I would take a video from my phone. तो अगर मैंने कैमरा चालू किया है, अगर मैं वीडियो लूँ तो इसमें ऑडियो बहुत ही कम वॉल्यूम पे रिकॉर्ड होता है एंड देन एडिटिंग में प्रॉब्लम होती है, इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज में प्रॉब्लम होती थी. प्रैक्टिकली अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वर गेटिंग स्पॉइल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड मैंने वापस नहीं गिराया, फोन अपने आप शुरू हो गया. सो एनीवेज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई हैड टू बाय अ न्यू फोन बिकॉज काम अफेक्ट हो रहा था. तो मेरा बजट ज़्यादा नहीं है बिकॉज सबकी इनकम अफेक्ट हुई है की वजह से. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट अ गुड कैमरा फोन ओनली बिकॉज ये फ़ोन में मेरे ईमेल्स और कॉल्स हैं सब हैंडल हो जाता है एंड इसका एक्सचेंज वैल्यू मुझे सिर्फ 15,000 आ रहा था. तो नो वे वॉज गोइंग टू एक्सचेंज दिस. मैं अभी भी इसी को मेरा फ़ोन लाइक व्हाट्सएप और ईमेल्स के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. जो भी नया फ़ोन मैं लेती उसको मैं सिर्फ बाकी काम के लिए यूज़ करना चाहती थी लाइक वीडियोज़ एंड फोटोज़ एंड ऑल. आई एम गोना गिव यू अ हिंट दैट आई स्पेंड 65,000 to 70,000 rupees. Now you have 5 seconds to guess which phone did I buy. The phone that I bought is this one. I bought the iPhone 11 in white color. I'll show you the outer box. And it is 128 GB. I have opened this before, but we shall open it again. क्योंकि जब कोई नई चीज़ लेता है ना तब मेरे को तो उसका एक्साइटमेंट बहुत टाइम तक रहता है. लाइक आई कीप आस्किंग माई पेरेंट्स time and again कि ये कैसा है कैसा है कैसा है. तो I'm very annoying like that. So let's share that excitement again together. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, this is not 11. हो गई मेरी 50 रुपए की ओवर एक्टिंग खत्म. So I actually have an iPhone 11 Pro Max now and no, I did not lie about the amount I spent. There's a whole story, kind of like a story time. So I thought कि special unboxing करते हैं. I'll first show you the phone. I'll show you बिना कवर के. यार ये कवर्स उतारना ना बड़ा मेरे को लगता है मैं फ़ोन बेंड कर दूंगी. नहीं निकल रहा यार मेरे से. फोटो डाल दूँ क्या? Because I'm really worried I'm going to damage the phone. So I bought the midnight green color. The story how this happened is, since the time we moved to this new home, my dad has put every single effort of his for his home and he has not purchased anything for himself since a long time. Not just since we moved, actually from before that only, because तैयारी करनी होती है यार सब. It's just not fair. I could not see that he's not fulfilling any of his wishes. So in January 2020, I actually bought this phone for him. Of course not upfront because ये phone 1 लाख के ऊपर का आता है. I know it's very ridiculous. Why is a phone that expensive? So I bought it on EMI system and इसका EMI अभी जून में ही खत्म हुआ था and he loved it. He has firstly taken such good care of this phone that it looks absolutely new. Then my phone broke down, so I was looking for the best camera phone. Now 11 Pro Max को कहा जाता है it's one of the best camera phones. Of course I'm not saying that it is. There's a lot of other good phones available in the market. Already have Apple laptops. Both my laptops are Apple only. My one phone is Apple. I have the AirPods and the watch. So basically same brand का ही मुझे फ़ोन लेना था so that everything is easy to sync. There's something called AirDrop on iPhones and AirDrop transfers videos and photos like this. It's so easy and I have a Samsung phone which it's very difficult for me to transfer that footage to my laptop. So I wanted to stick to Apple only. So I was going to buy the 11 for myself only, but my dad said that he would be more than happy to give me his 11 Pro Max and take the 11 because his work does not require the use of camera. He uses mostly for calls and emails. So he said कि अगर उनके फ़ोन में थोड़ा कम भी अच्छा कैमरा रहेगा तो उनको बिल्कुल भी एफिशिएंसी अफेक्ट नहीं होगा. बट अगर मेरे फ़ोन का कैमरा थोड़ा बेटर रहेगा तो मेरे जॉब में मुझे हेल्प होगा लाइक बेटर क्वालिटी फ़ोटोज़, बेटर क्वालिटी वीडियोज़. So he very kindly volunteered to give me his phone and to take the iPhone 11 in exchange. This is a 64 GB. So the only good thing that I could agree to for this was कि उनको 64 GB कम पड़ रहा था because WhatsApp was taking up too much space. So this one we bought 128 GB for that purpose only. But apart from that, I asked him like 10 times that are you sure you want to do this? Because once you gift someone something, taking it back is the worst, absolute worst feeling ever. By doing this, we saved more than 40 to 45,000 rupees because the same phone अभी और महंगा मिलता है. I don't know how. In January, I think 1,07,000 net figure आ रहा था after the whole offers and cashback and everything. And अगर मुझे अभी जब मैं ये वाला लेने गई थी तभी मैंने same 64 GB green color iPhone 11 Pro Max का प्राइस पूछा तो 1,13,000 ऐसा कुछ था. It was quite weird. This phone cost me 68,300. MRP I think इसका 72 या ऐसा कुछ था, but 5,000 rupees cashback आता है तो नेट फिगर 68,000 का पड़ा. So 1,13,000 minus 68,000 is 45,000. That's why we did this whole thing because आज के तारीख में 45,000 rupees is a huge amount of money. I want to share with you this happy moment. Every time there's a new member in our technology family, it helps us connect better because then there's more clarity. It's quicker, like shooting from phone is much quicker than shooting from camera sometimes, and I'm outside and I want to capture a special moment, and even for photo shoots. Coming to the unboxing, of course we have to do the unboxing of this box. I don't know where it is. With the iPhone 11, every iPhone comes with this kind of a thing जिसके अंदर वो पिन रहता है. So you open this and so ये पिन के मदद से सिम कार्ड चेंज हो सकता है. एंड वाओ मेरे को खुद को नहीं मालूम था पिक्चर वाला बुकलेट आता है. देन दे ऑल्सो गिव स्टिकर्स. कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी व्हाई आर दीज स्टिकर्स देयर? लाइक व्हाई आर दे देयर? इज इट जस्ट टू पुट रैंडमली ऑन एनीथिंग और क्या इसका कोई पर्पस है? नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स, यहाँ पे चार्जर आता है जो ऑलरेडी बाहर है बिकॉज वी यूजिंग इट, एंड ईयरफोन्स जो हमने खोले नहीं है. These are the earphones, flat pin वाले हैं, and that's it. That's the box empty. So बस I just want to share this with you. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting, because of that only I'm able to fulfill my dreams. Today I want to share with you 3 more materialistic dreams that I have and I really want to achieve very soon. Number 1, I want to buy my own car this year. बस है इच्छा. Actually पहले मैं लेने वाली थी मई में, but then COVID happened, so of course the financial priorities changed and I totally scrapped the idea. If we keep going the way we're going, working with all these amazing brands, I want you to know that brand deals are not bad. I don't care about how other people perceive it, but I want us to know that brand deals are good because if I choose them correctly, if I work with only those brands that I like, then they are good, and you know I do that. It's good to have brands on board because it supports us a lot. Yeah, I want to buy my own car. Second, I want to gift my dad a Mercedes car. That's his dream since decades. I don't know if that we will be able to do this year, but I hope next year. So that's my second goal. And third, what did I want to buy? I want to gift my dad a Rolex watch, and I want to gift my mom any jewelry that she likes. Like I want to be able to gift her that thing कि वो showroom में जाए and whatever she likes, she doesn't have to check the price, and we should be able to gift her that. तो 4 ड्रीम्स हो गए, बट हाँ ये मेरे 4 मटीरियलिस्टिक ड्रीम्स हैं जो आई डोंट नो हम कब अचीव कर पाएंगे, बट बस करना है अचीव. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट, गिव इट अ thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to just stay connected. If you didn't enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down, but I want your honest opinion. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.